bald areas. Now, what I mean by bald areas is this is bald, no hair. It doesn't mean a little fuzzes, okay? Bald areas usually need an M1. This was explained to you during your consultation before you decided to order. Hopefully you remember that, okay? But we use an M1. M1 stands for 1 millimeter opening. 1 millimeter opening means the opening is small, enough to breathe, like my scalp breathes. I'm bald. I have an M1. My scalp breathes. If I go in the shower, my scalp gets wet. It breathes. M1 is for a bald area. And with a bald area, it's attached differently. It's usually attached with a locking tape. So it's very different in reference to that. Although we can fill in any bald area whatsoever, whether it's a small little bald area or part of the top or all of the top or the whole head, just for your reference.